Hi, I'm Rob. I'm the Commercial Director at Alloyd. Alloyd is building the digital ecosystem that allows the optimization of metal components and systems across digital manufacture, and that's applicable across aerospace, defense, consumer electronics, and numerous other markets for which metal applications are the most demanding. What links those markets together is fundamental material constraints and design constraints on components. We address both of those issues through higher temperature, higher strength and functional alloys that we develop in-house and optimize for digital manufacture, but also through better design with those materials for better systems that make use of the mechanical properties. Alloyd was originally spun out of the University of Oxford, and a group of material scientists and engineers founded the company. Alloyd's grown rapidly since the start, with 50 to 100% revenue growth year on year, building the ecosystem to enable optimized digital manufacture of metal, both through the manufacture ourselves of components and component systems, but also through enabling our customers to optimize their metal component design, materials, and processing for better performance and better cost.